Lathe machine. Lathe machine. Hammer. Hammer. Screwdriver. Screwdriver. Wrench. Wrench. Pliers. Pliers. Drill machine. Drill machine. Measuring tape. Measuring tape. Caliper. Caliper. Vernier scale. Vernier scale. Spirit level. Spirit level. Spanner. Spanner. Soldering iron. Soldering iron. Multimeter. Multimeter. Circuit board. Circuit board. Wire cutter. Wire cutter. Power supply. Power supply. Oscilloscope. Oscilloscope. 3D printer. 3D printer. Welding machine. Welding machine. Grinder. Grinder. Cement. Cement. Sand. Sand. Gravel. Gravel. Concrete. Concrete. Steel bar. Steel bar. Brick. Brick. Stone. Stone. Wood. Wood. Paint. Paint. Pipe. Pipe. Water pump. Water pump. Crane. Crane. Excavator. Excavator. Bulldozer. Bulldozer. Measuring rod. Measuring rod. Surveying tripod. Surveying tripod. Leveling instrument. Leveling instrument. Blueprints. Blueprints. Resistor. Resistor. Capacitor. Capacitor. Inductor. Inductor. Diode. Diode. Transistor. Transistor. Microcontroller. Microcontroller. Sensor. Sensor. Motor. Motor. Generator. Generator. Transformer. Transformer. Relay. Relay. Battery. Battery. LED. LED. Switch. Switch. Connector. Connector. Cable. Cable. Fuse. Fuse. Breadboard. Breadboard. Power inverter. Power inverter. Computer. Computer. Processor. Processor. Motherboard. Motherboard. Keyboard. Keyboard. Mouse. Mouse. Monitor. Monitor. Router. Router. Server. Server. Cloud storage. Cloud storage. Programming language. Programming language. Algorithm. Algorithm. Database. Database. Operating system. Operating system. Network switch. Network switch. Compiler. Compiler. Microchip. Microchip. Data sensor. Data sensor. Automation system. Automation system. Design. Design. Prototype. Prototype. Simulation. Simulation. Testing. Testing. Analysis. Analysis. Manufacturing. Manufacturing. Maintenance. Maintenance. Quality control. Quality control. Project management. Project management. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency. Structural strength. Structural strength. Fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics. Thermodynamics. Thermodynamics. Circuit design. Circuit design. Robotics. Robotics. Safety equipment. Safety equipment. Innovation. Innovation.